Hello everyone, I'm Bhavna Aaron. I'm back with the first part of class 6, lesson 1. Today I'm going to explain you the very first chapter of class 6, that is understanding diversity. So let's begin. The term diversity. Do you know what is the meaning of diversity? Diversity means something unique or difference. It can be on any of the basis, and like it can be on the basis of looks, views, religion, on the basis of culture, religion you belong to, or the way you speak. Okay, so it can be on any of the basis. So on the very first page, as you can see, that three different kids of your age group has drawn three figures on this page, but the thing is, to be noticed over here is everyone has drawn something or the other images but in different style, which means that diversity exists everywhere in every work we do. So in the chapter we all will learn about the people are different from each other in many ways. Now just see at the left up corner where we supposed to fill up some information, but after filling up the information you all will observe that everyone has list the information in different style that is not matched, which means we are living in a diverse society. As we wear different clothes, we have a different speaking accent also, we have different languages, belong to different cultural background, religion and region, but living all together in a society, which means understanding a diversity. Then in this chapter we study about different things, like now we are going to take the story of two boys. The first name is Samir one, and then second one is the newspaper hawker. So here we goes. One day a small newspaper hawker used to sell the newspaper at Janpat crossing, which seems to be very busy intersection. Every day when the red light blow at the street and the Sami one ache, you can say, stand over there, a small boy always used to run after him by holding an English newspaper in his hand. But when Samir Ek asked to the newspaper hawker for the Hindi newspaper, he seems to be very shocked while seeing to him. Do you know why? But suddenly green sunlight blew. When they meet up again, Hawker said to Samir Ek that how would you know Hindi? You seem much like Angrez, he said. So he replied that Hindi is one of my subjects due to which I knew it. So he replied, subject? What is that? Again the green signal blew. But next day, when they meet up again, he answered, how could I explain what a subject was to someone who had never been to school? Well, it is something he said, and again light gets changed. But next day, when they both meet up, other by looking at smiling each other, he again said, भैया अब बताइए ये सब्जेक्ट क्या होता है. So he answered, it's just something to study in school. He said again on the very next day when they again meet, they pass smile to each other. Sami one asked from a newspaper hawker boy that where are you from and from when you have started selling the newspaper. So the boy replied, I have selling this newspaper since my childhood. Initially I used to come along with my mother, but now I came alone. So Samir one asked, where is your mother now? So he replied, before giving an answer, green signal blow again. So the communication between both of them get discontinued. Again on the next day when they meet, and the small boy asks to Samir one that what's your name? So he replied Samir. So he also replied in turn that my name is also Samir. So do one thing. The newspaper boy said, you become Samir Ek and I will become Samir too. Now Samir 1 said that yes, my name is Samir as it is the another name of Lord Hanuman's father. Again on next day when they met, Samir too was bit sad and unhappy. But on query, when Samir Ek asked, "What happened to you?" he replied, "There had been some riot held at my mother's place. That is in Meerut, and my mother lives there. I am very scared, as I am Muslim boy." Again, as always, green signal blue. But on the very next day, Samir too was not there at the signal point, but only Samir one is there searching for him, but couldn't able to find him. So this was all about the story about two boys. Next, now by seeing the both image of difference lies between the both, as Samir one is a rich boy, but on the contrary, Samir two is a poor boy. Now, Samir 1 is a Hindu boy, but Samir 2 is a Muslim boy. Then Samir 1 always goes to school, but Samir 2 couldn't able to go to the school. Now, as Samir 1 knows both the language, that is English and Hindi as well, but Samir too knows only Hindi. But then too they still both became friends, being having so diversified in almost each and every way, which means although we all are different from each other, can still live along with one another is a part of understanding diversity. So do like, share and subscribe my channel if you like my video. Thank you.